Here's a pair of the Sony earbuds. This model number is WF-1000XM5. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Apple computer, MacBook, or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go to the Bluetooth settings on your Apple computer. So you can go to the top left-hand side, click on that Apple icon logo up there, and then from here we're going to go down to System Settings. And now on this left side here, this left pane here, we just want to go down to Bluetooth right there. And then if you look over here under nearby devices, you can see this little thing spinning. It's searching for devices that's pairing mode near me. So these things here are in pairing mode near me, but we need to put these in a pairing mode so it can show up down here so we can connect these. So first thing is how to put these in pairing mode. Make sure both earbuds are in the case. Close the lid, wait till the light turns off here, okay? Just wait till it turns off. Okay, now once it turns off, we're going to open the lid and then just press and hold this button and keep holding for like 10 seconds or so, or 5 seconds, and just wait till you get a blue blinking light here and then let go. And that would indicate it's in pairing mode, okay? So we do it together. Ready? Open the case up. Where's that button? There it is. Press and hold. Now keep holding until we get a blue blinking light here. Keep holding. Just wait. There it is. Now let go. It's blinking blue. Now it's indicating it's in pairing mode, okay? And we still have this little spinny thing still spinning, so it's still searching. So maybe it's down here. And what do you know? The 1000XM5 is right here. I'm going to go down here. And then I'm just going to go over here and click on Connect. So we're connected, and now if I go all the way up, you can see under my devices, you can see this currently says connected, and I got 93% battery juice on here. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these Sony earbuds. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.